Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1 of 2022. I can't believe that it's December, so I just got ready to go to work. It is 6:30-ish right now. Actually, it's a little bit before 6:30. Usually I'm not ready this early, but this morning I am because I could not sleep at all. Just a lot of things going on. Right now I'm getting the Decorate With Me. It's downloading to the computer so that then I can share it, or it's exporting to the computer so then I can upload it to YouTube, hopefully either later today or tomorrow. Like I said, I have to go to work. Obviously, it is a work day. And then I have to go and make some wreaths. So we will see when I get that up, but hopefully, like I said, it'll either be today or tomorrow. I'm being kind of quiet because Owen is in between sleeping. Like, he could fall back asleep probably. He might be awake, I don't know. But yeah, that's the update so far this morning. Oh, and you already know this probably by the time that video goes up, but the days are going to definitely be clumped because, you know, I don't have a lot. Okay, so I just got home. It's like 5:40. Jacob is getting us dinner. It's been a day. I shouldn't have said usually I don't have anything. Because I'll insert a photo. My tire shredded on the way to work. Luckily, thankfully, I had somebody watching over me, so I made it to work, and I'm lucky enough to have my grandpa, who was able to come and switch out cars with me, change the tire to the spare, and then he went and got the tires changed for me, which was so nice. He did not have to do that, but it was just been crazy. So I'm gonna take a shower. I didn't make any wreaths today. It was just too much. So I'm gonna take a shower. The dogs are going crazy because I just got home. Take a shower hopefully before Jacob gets here, and yeah. What do you think about this, buddy? What do you think about seeing yourself in the camera? So, we just had dinner not that long ago. I'm exhausted. I don't know about you. Okay, ignore how messy the closet area is. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. It's like 6:30 or so in the morning. Mr. Owen James did not sleep well last night. I think we're going through sleep regression, which is just dandy. I love that for me and Jacob. But yeah, I'm ready for work. Means I have to get dressed still, but I'm just chilling with my baby. Okay, so I just got off work and now I'm at my grandma's house so I can see my sweet baby. And so that way then I can make some wreaths, because like I said, I didn't make any yesterday. But really, to see and get my sweet boy. It was hard to leave him this morning. I just want to squish his cheeks. That's all. So, we're just sitting, chilling. What did I say in screen?
You missed it. Look at
Dang, Flabbit! Watch now that I took the camera off of me, and he's gonna get real into whatever he's doing. But we're sitting here on the couch. We're gonna have frozen pizza.
Oh.
And then maybe we'll watch a Christmas movie.
That's what I think.
Okay, cool. We got a tree on. Bruno Mocha over here. Frank is on the floor, and there's Yodi, and Owen, as you saw, is laying and playing on his mat.
Living his best life.
Also, we did not put him there sideways. He makes himself go sideways.
He's very active. He says, "What? It's big boy."
Oh, if you're wondering, Jacob is playing Call of Duty. Or COD, which every time I hear COD, all I can think of is fish. Like, Owen also has very strong opinions about the subject matter, so does Bruno.
He says, "Dad, you suck at this game."
Say hi, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So we are out. Actually, right now we're at my dad's house. We're about to leave and go to the farm, which is like 5 minutes from here, because we're gonna get Reed stuff today and sell trees. And Owen's gonna hang out with his Oma and his gran. Yeah. Yeah. You're so sweet. Look at this cute boy and those blue eyes. All the dogs are here right now, including my dad's 2 dogs and then my grandparents' dog. So there's 7 dogs here. It's awesome. Owen loves it. Owen loves doggies. Yeah. But that's the update. Okay, it's day 4. We're at Aldi.
Owen's sleeping.
Owen is asleep, but he's probably gonna wake up.
You can hear him snoring.
Here in about 2 seconds, because we've stopped the car. And he hates being in the seat. He's not moving.
She copied my dress.
No, I did not.
Jacket, blue, gray sweats. Copy her.
I was dressed first.
Copy her.
First off, my hoodie or my jacket's black. Yours is gray.
Yeah, but on there it looks about the same.
Okay. Okay, so we just got home from the grocery. We gotta start unpacking, and we gotta go through our fridge because we have all the Thanksgiving leftovers, all bad.
Yes.
Thankfully, Jacob has started.
I'm on it. So everything's going.
Yeah. Okay, so making hot chocolate. We got this hot cocoa mix at Aldi. It's got 4 different kinds: mocha, Irish cream, salted caramel, and peppermint. We're trying the peppermint and the salted caramel. Took me a good 5 minutes to figure out how to use our Mercari because we never use it. And then we've got lunch in the oven. You ready to try these?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta change your shirt.
Yep.
Okay. So we're gonna watch out the Grinch Stole Christmas. We didn't have it on DVD. We had it on HBO Max. Yes, Jacob, I'm repeating myself because apparently the camera wasn't turned. It's par for course. But the peppermint hot chocolate was really good. Jacob said the salted caramel was really good. We haven't tried each other's yet. Movie's on. Gotta go. Very bright. So we're going to Kohl's and Target.
Which one are we going to first?
Where do you want to go?
It doesn't matter. If we go to Kohl's first, then we need to go to the State Street Target.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, which Target do you want to go to?
We went to the State Street one last.
Well, then we'll go to Clarksville first.
Okay, so we're going to Target and then Kohl's. We're going to Target, 1, because we need lights, and 2, I need some things. 3, it's Target. I mean, it's like free therapy, except you spend money.
It's not free.
It's actually not free. If you had self-control, it would be free. We'll see. And then we are gonna go to Kohl's to see if we can find some ugly Christmas sweaters, because every year, at least, I think every year we've been together. Only 3? Or no, we've been more together. Okay. Yeah, at least all the years I'm pretty sure we've done Vlogmas, we've got each other an ugly sweater. No, that might be wrong.
Did it start when we got in the apartment?
No, we did it before then. Maybe it was the year right before. Maybe it was 2019 that we started. So 3 years. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and look and watch. We didn't do it the first year we were together, I don't think. Not where we bought each other an ugly Christmas sweater. Like, or we bought the others, or picked out the others. But, yeah. Anyways, if you watched last year's, we did it last year for sure, and the year before that also for sure. Because it's one of our traditions we like doing, is buying the other one's ugly Christmas sweater.
I usually get more than one a year.
Yeah. I mean, but it just always, there's always one we pick out for the other person, and typically we wear that one on Christmas.
Yep.
Sometimes we're real mean. No, okay, I know we we did it at least in 2019, because that's when I got you the subpar gift giver. And I think that might have been the first year we started. I have to look. I gotta look now. I gotta find it.
Yeah. I think we have done it for years.
But now, was that 2019 or was it 2018? I'm gonna check. Okay, so real fast, I wanted to show you kind of the progress that's happening. I had all of this done already, but we did have bad winds, so we had to take it all down. So there's gonna be more blown up, but I wanted to give you a progress shot. So we're about to have dinner. I made meatloaf, which I don't know how well that's gonna turn out, and then some microwave mashed potatoes, which I need to stir and put back in for another minute, but I'm gonna sign off here so that then I can finish editing this and start the upload. But hope you did enjoy. If you did, be sure to subscribe below for more Vlogmas, more vlogs in general. I've also posted a YouTube short kind of tips, like short mom tips, like things that I would post to TikTok, which I'll have my mom talk and the dog talk linked down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow in a few days.